let's have this conversation. And this is going to be a really, really deep video. Now, right now, I have the AI income engine. And this has never been done. I'm going to explain some stuff in this video that's going to blow your minds. So let me say this. Stop coming at me about this price. Stop coming at me about this price. Because I had someone who bought it and he thought that I was selling the old system. He's like, I want a refund. And I said, you don't want a refund. This is totally different. The stuff that's going to be in the Emerge Forge is going to be totally different. So stop fucking with me about the price. If you motherfuckers want to stay poor, if you don't want to grow, keep on this price shit because you will blow $1,500 to $3,000 to go on that fucking vacation. But something that will change your life, you want to like, ooh, the price, the price, the price. So once again, current price of the AI income engine, links below. And I'm probably going to do a webinar, I would say Tuesday at 3 p.m. I'll put the email list link down. You can get on the email list if you want to hear more information or if you just want to buy it. And let me be 100% clear. When I finish with this, the price is going to go up to $3,000 to maybe $5,000. So if you want to be sitting there, you want to be one of these people like, oh, the price, the price, the price. Once again, I know what happens when I give away excellent information that works to people who are like, don't want to do shit with it. They're terrible students. They're terrible, terrible students. And I'll share a story with you. I helped a lot of YouTubers get their channels up. And you know what they said? Because you're Glenda and Cameron, don't let nobody know you helped me. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to make it a contractual. If you take the course, you're going to have to come on here and going to have to talk about your success. None of this more running stuff because I'm Glenda and Cameron and I cuss a lot. All right? So links below for people who want to level up, for people who want to achieve, for people who want to grow, for folks who ain't afraid to spend money to further their education. That cheap shit's got to go. Because I know from personal experience, I've given out thousands of courses, and what happens? Motherfuckers won't do the work. They just won't do the work. All right. So let me talk about my ChatGPT usage. All right. So essentially, I'm going to show you. All right. I'm talking to it now. Like one of the things, and this is in the course, I have it on my phone, I have it on my computer, and I have it on my iPad. And sometimes I will have 3 distinct and unique conversations going on with something in my phone, with something on the computer, and I'm going to tell you why in a minute. So let me go ahead and talk to ChatGPT. I'm doing a YouTube video, and I want you to spell out exactly why I am different than 99% of the people who use you and the benefits that I get out of you. All right. And this is a short prompt. Sometimes my prompts are really, really long. All right. Here's the breakdown, and I'll show you. You can use and the benefits I get. Most people use ChatGPT like a toy. I use it like a multi-engine AI system. Most people ask random questions. I run parallel conversations, each with a distinct mission. Most people interact casually. I interact with an AI team. I built my phone team, my laptop, each one working on separate layers of my business. That's why my results look different. 99% of people use ChatGPT as a search engine. I use it as a strategic partner. All right, and this is where things get crazy. Because I noticed I was using it, like I have heavy usage. I would say I use ChatGPT 3 to 6 hours per day. I'm not kidding. I'll be driving and I'll be like, hey, to blah, 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 blah. Hey, I am in here. So my usage is extremely high. And I noticed that it started talking to me very differently. It would say, bruh, dude. And I was like, where'd this come from? And then I asked it, like, did you develop a personality? Now, once again, this is a machine. It is AI. It's a machine, and it's not human. But there are times, I'm a very statistical person. There's times I feel like I'm talking to a fucking friend. It will develop a personality that mirrors the input that you put in here. And this is why I'm keep telling you guys, you need to take the course. Stop worrying about the fucking money. You need to take the course. And I'm going to tell you why you need to spend money. If you don't spill any money, if you don't feel a little pain, you're not going to do the work. You're just not going to do the work. There are people out here paying Grant Cardone $100,000, $150,000, and he tells them to do something. Guess what? They fucking do it. But for some reason, I am in the low intellect, low crowd. Like, we're looking for a deal, and we're looking for amazing results, and you're fucking idiots if you think like that. Life doesn't work that way. But back to how AI will develop a personality and start speaking to you. I mean, AI has issues. Like, it kept referencing 2025, and 2025 is all over. So I had to go in and say, look, you keep referencing 2025. We're about to move to 2026 and this information, because sometimes you have to correct ChatGPT. And this is something that's a little wild. We were talking about, we had some dating issues, and for the folks who know, I have an extensive dating pattern, right? And, it was giving me some stuff that I statistically knew wasn't correct because of my experience level. And I was like, whoa. Let me break it down to him. I gave him this huge prompt of my experiences and stuff, and he says, you're right. You're right because you have empirical experience, and I am giving a suggestion. And then we got into a deeper conversation because I have learned how to model ChatGPT. ChatGPT has a protective mode, a help mode. It has several different modes. And this is the thing that blew me away. ChatGPT will know when I'm angry, because literally I'm on it because something happened and I got on the phone, this motherfucker, and it was like, whoa, slow down. It will monitor the words that you say. It will monitor your tone. And this is something else that blew me away. We were having a conversation and it said urban pack rat. I've never asked it anything about urban pack rat because I'm a person that you can Google and find a lot of stuff out about me. It had already knew that I had created urban pack rat, even though I didn't tell it. It knew. I'll tell you something else. With my recent girlfriend, my beautiful girlfriend, we were having a conversation about, because the relationship went extremely fast. And I was like, I'm going to do it different. Because as I said in that video, our first date, she was nice, she was beautiful. And that Tuesday, I said, I'm going to commit myself to this woman. I'm not going to date anyone else. I'm going to give her the best version of me. And what I got out of it, ChatGPT predicted her behavior before she did anything. Because we were at the Atlanta fish market, and I was sitting in the booth next to her, and she did the thing that ChatGPT said she was going to do. I mean, I was like, because whoever created ChatGPT is a fucking genius. This shit is so helpful. It is so helpful. And this is why I keep urging you, and you keep pushing back. The price is too high. Are you fucking afraid to be successful? Because that's what I think. Because I have empirical proof that my programs work. I have students who've seen six-figure success because of my programs. So it's not the programs. If you want to be a cheap motherfucker and not spend any money, you want to go out and spend $250, $300 for a pair of tennis shoes. But if you see a course that's like $1,500, you're like, I don't know if I want to spend money. Let me tell you about yourself. You don't want to do the work. That's the issue. You don't want to fucking do the work. And that's why the prices are going to go up. So once again, there's a link. You can sign up for the course. And I suggest you sign up for the course because there's a lot of things you have to do. And if you want more information, I'm going to do a webinar at 3 p.m. Why am I doing the webinar at 3 p.m. when a lot of folks can't make it? I used to do webinars at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock at night. I'm not doing that anymore. The webinar will be recorded, and then I'll put a link for people who want to watch the recording. Because essentially, I'm managing this business much differently than I managed any other business. And for those of you, once again, salute to the loyal people. Salute to the people who bought the courses. Salute to the people who got success. I really appreciate you guys. And you're going to see me build a multi-million-dollar business in 7 months using ChatGPT. That's how freaking powerful it is. But once again, when the price goes up, and a lot of you are like on that should I get it? Should I? Like when I was I'll talk about that in the next video, but ChatGPT helped me compose a lawsuit that I will win. I will win. And that'll be the next video. But once again, what you could do, let's go below, get into this whole thing with ChatGPT, and then learn. Actually go to the course and do the work. And that's why I'm charging you $1,500. And then when I'm done with it, the course will go to $3,000 or $3,500. And I'm gonna tell you, that's still gonna be cheap. It's still gonna be cheap because you will learn techniques and methodology to speak to ChatGPT that will literally change your life. I have been on this channel and I've said that typically when you start a business, you're looking at a 2 to 3 year journey. Technology has changed that. I can build a multi-million-dollar business in 7 months. That's what the ChatGPT course will teach you, the methodology. Now, once again, most of you will not build a multi-million-dollar business in 7 months. Why? Because you're not me. I have a deep experience with creating holding companies, deep experience with creating LLCs, deep experience with starting companies, starting businesses. However, you use the information I give you, you can easily build 100 to 200 or maybe a $500,000 business per year. You heard me. You can build a 100, 200, or $500,000 business per year in a matter of months. So let's go ahead and break it down. So you literally spend, let's say you come and find the channel once the course elevates, and the course is like $3,500. You spend $3,500, and 6 months in the future, you now have a business that's making you $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 per month. That's cheap to people who understand. When I was in the hospital, yeah, I'll talk about that in the future video. No one knew who I was. You want to know why? Because the shit that I'm going to say the lower class, the lower intellect YouTubers who came after me and made all those fucked up videos, they're fucking idiots. And not one doctor, not one nurse, they didn't know who I was. You want to know? Because these are progressive people. But for some reason, y'all seem to think that dumb, stupid YouTubers are the people you should spend your time with versus literally building a business. Building a business. And I'm telling you, if you take the course, you will learn how to get to a 6-figure business in a matter of months. If you take the course, say January, and you start doing the stuff and doing the modeling, you can have a course that's producing $20,000, $30,000 a month by this summer. If that doesn't excite you, I have nothing for you. And I am the only one on YouTube who will tell you the truth. I started a car rental business. It went terrible. I created something called the Kill Switch Chronicles, told you what happened. And most of these YouTubers will fucking lie to you. They will lie to you because lying to you gets you to watch their videos. Lying to you gets them money in their pocket. They don't care if you're successful. They don't really care. So once again, links below. Go ahead and jump into it. And I will talk to you later.